Hello viewers, I'm Mohit Malhotra, an associate at Dialysis. So today I would be talking about the landmark judgment of Roe versus Wade. It is a landmark United States Supreme Court case that was decided in 1973. The case involved a challenge to a Texas law that criminalized abortions except to save the life of the mother. Uh, uh, the Norma McCorvey, using the pseudonym Jane Roe, represented the class of women who sought the right to have an abortion. In its decision, the Supreme Court recognized that the Constitution protects a women's right to have an abortion as a part of their right to privacy. The court held that this right is not absolute and must be balanced against the state interest in protecting the potentiality of the human life. The court established a framework that balances women's right to choose an abortion with the state's interest in regulating the abortion. The court established three trimesters to guide the regulation of abortion. During the first trimester, the court held that a decision to save an abortion is primarily between a woman and a doctor, and the state cannot unduly interfere. The second one is the state may regulate the abortion to protect the women's health, and the third one, when the fetus reaches the viability, the state may prohibit the abortion except when necessary to protect the life or health of the mother. So this had a significant impact on the abortion debate in the United States. It established a constitutional right to abortion and limited the ability of states to restrict the access to abortion services. However, the decision has also been the subject of ongoing legal and political controversy, with subsequent cases and legislation seeking to modify or overturn the certain aspects of the ruling. So here viewers, I'll wind up this video, and if any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section. Thank you.